So here we are this afternoon in the garden where I keep the grill. I burn a lot of the branches and leaves and roots and pretty much anything that that we go ahead and cut down or dig up around here and turn it into ash. Got a couple compost pits and been burning stuff and putting ash in there for years. So this is an old Weber grill. It's really old. It's seen a lot of use, and it's gone through a couple of cooking grates. So here's a new cooking grate I picked up at Home Depot a couple weeks ago. It's been a few weeks since I've grilled, and we'll go ahead and break it in. This is probably the, I don't know, maybe third, maybe fourth cooking grate. So did a really great job of throwing that on there. I'm not getting burnt, especially not on camera. Let's go ahead and straighten this out. Good thing I can edit this. Get it lined up right there. Let's just go ahead and burn the label right off of it. Brand new cooking grate. We'll go ahead and break it in. There we go. And all the ash will end up in the garden eventually. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and let this heat up, and we're going to cook some dinner tonight. So, tonight's dinner is brought to you by Mr. Big Kid, who inspired me to make steak tonight. Now granted, I'm not using any fancy cooking methods, but hey, it's steak, right? So, I just thawed some steaks that were in the freezer and put some onion salt and white pepper on them. So, I'm sorry, no, I put onion salt and a black pepper blend on it, black and red pepper blend. So let's go ahead and get them on the grill. I'm sure somebody's going to tell me the grill turning colors like that is probably not healthy for the meat, but I did mention white pepper. We're going to go ahead and add some white pepper to the steaks because never enough pepper. And I'll come back in a while and flip these. Okay, just a few minutes to go ahead and wash this and the glass dish that I had these in. Go ahead and flip them. Fire's nice and hot. It's been burning for a couple hours. I've been burning different things to go ahead and compost into the garden. All I did was just take a small hatchet and cut up some branches from trees that were cut down a while ago and it's just dried out, and use that instead of charcoal. And I know the wood can affect the flavor and such that I'm just making steak. I'm not doing anything fancy here. But we will go ahead and add more white pepper. We even had enough time to record a short train video. So they're off the grill and they're cooked all the way through. So it's time to eat dinner. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.